Today, we're here at San Diego State University to do the first of a series of trials in terms of actually delivering food in an integrated way with Uber Eats.
For San Diego State, this is a wonderful opportunity. And I think what this collaboration does is it makes it real. You make it see where better developments in drones, the basic research, can really change and improve people's lives.
So the first test we did last year was in a closed environment. So we just tested a very small scale, some of the core technologies that we think need to exist. And from there, we started expanding our test operations. So we went over water, which provided a challenge to the drones and the drone operators that were supporting our operations. And from there, we were able to really refine what we need and ultimately get us here to where we're operating in a very quick time, doing drone delivery over an urban environment, which is absolutely the most challenging environment to operate a drone.
So this is the first test with our partners where we're putting these pieces together. What we did is we actually demonstrated how we can start with an order originating through the Uber Eats app, accept the order, load the food into a specially designed packaging. That packaging is attached to the drone. The drone then flies a simulated delivery mission and drops off the package at the location, and then the package is delivered by the courier to the final destination. Today, we just did a very limited initial run, but we'll be building up in complexity as we get these additional approvals from the FAA over time, as we're able to then execute this simple mission, but do it in a safe, repeatable, and very reliable way.
By partnering with the FAA, we really believe that we've found a solution to be a certified 135 air carrier that not only meets all of the regulations that are required, but also means that we're operating as safely as possible and as efficiently as possible.
Within a period of a handful of months, late last year, we've been able to progress very rapidly in order to start seeing our vision for scale for the future.
Delivering in urban areas is extremely hard. Only Uber can do this because we can actually leverage our courier network to land these delivery drones on cars. Drone delivery takes the learnings that Uber has gained from our aviation initiative over the last 2 years, combining that with our Uber Eats business to really build something magical.
Uber Eats is such a big thing now. I mean, you go into any restaurant and there's 7 people waiting to pick up food to drive it to somebody's house. It's a great convenience for people. But if you could make it more convenient with drones that got there even faster, that's a phenomenal improvement for the region.